Hi everyone, I am Opu. So welcome to the Opu Art. So I am starting a new tutorial series. It's called Max Basic and you can say it Advanced. Yeah. So you are seeing here, I'm opening the Max. So this is 3ds Max version 4. 2014 actually. So I'm using 2014 actually. By the way, unfortunately, I haven't updated it. So it doesn't matter if you know the basics of the software. So it doesn't matter actually. So you can stick to a version that you prefer. So I will not show you how to install the app actually. I presume that everybody knows this process, that how to install the Max. So here is the interface actually. So if you notice this one, so this is the interface actually. So Max interface is usually divided in a 4 parts. So this one is a top view. This one is a front view, this one is a left view, and this is the perspective view. So, and here is the, you could say it as a content panel or something. So you can pop it out and you can manipulate it like this one. So I like to do this one in like this way, so you have more space on a left side. So here is on the top part, this is the edit tool, graphics, and all that things are the menu. The standard menus comes from all the softwares you can find. That this is the file, new, and open, save as, save, export, and something. So this kind of menus you can find in every software, every standard softwares actually. So I basically preferred for 3D modeling is Max. My base is on a 3ds Max. So actually Max is a very renowned, very popular, famous, 3D modeling softwares you can do, and it's the industry standard. So you can use it in for animation, for 3D modeling, for gaming, and all that things. I mean, lot of good companies, lot of famous companies is using 3ds Max, and 3ds Max is very good for architectural visualization, gaming, and all that things. So it's like a the alternative version of the Maya. So from my perspective, it doesn't matter that which software you are using. The matter is what you can produce actually by using that software. My point of view that 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender, Cinema 4D, and all that things, but you cannot produce the artwork, so it doesn't make sense, right? But if you stick with the one software that you prefer to use, that you are habitual to use, that you are very comfortable to use, and you produce the classical art way, classical artwork, then no matter that you use 3ds Max or Blender or Maya or whatever thing, that you can produce the artwork. That's the matter. It doesn't matter that you have mastered in a 4 softwares, and you are good at Blender, you are good at 3ds Max, you are good at Maya. It doesn't matter. Matter is what is you gonna produce, what is your artwork, what is your portfolio. So okay, enough talking. Now you can see here that for view. So you can see here is the geometry, here is the shape, and here is the lighting, here is camera, here is the helper, and all the things. Okay, so yeah, so here is the modify, here is the hierarchy, here is the motion, and here is the display and whatever utilities. Okay, so let's say you want to create a box. Okay, so let's say if I am want to create a box, so click on the box and you just drag and drop on a viewport, especially in a perspective view like this. You can do like this, you can do like this, and you can go downwards and you can go upwards. So what actually we're gonna do is just roughly create the space and go upwards. So you see the box is created. The box is created in a perspective view. You can, with the mouse wheel, you can zoom it and zoom out. You can zoom it and zoom out. And this is, by the way, this is a graph view you are seeing. So this one is a graph, I mean grid or graph, whatever you're gonna call. So you see this item is visible in a 4 view. So so actually Max is showing you this box in a perspective view, in a front view, in a top view, and a left view. Okay, so if I'm gonna create the sphere like this, you see, let's say here. So in a top view, you can select that. In a left view, you can select that. And a right view, front view, you can select that. So actually, these view are very helpful for creating precise modeling and precise location. So this is very important. But the professional view is especially I like to prefer is the max view. These three other three views are especially kind of like a helper. They can help, but most of the work you have to do in a perspective view. You can extend the view if you want. Let's say select one. If I gonna click on the maximize view, zoom extend or something like no. If I gonna okay, this one. Okay, so this is the maximize viewport toggle. So you're gonna click, see the the left hand bottom corner. So this is the maximize view. So you can do it in every view. Like you want to maximize the front view. Again, you want to maximize the the top view. Okay, you can do that. Okay, so this is the viewport. So most of the time you have to maintain this kind of view and this kind of thing. And keep in mind, you can rotate the view like here. You can rotate, even cycle the view. You can rotate the view, but if you want to freely rotate, if you click on a mouse button, the wheel button, press on the wheel button, so the cursor is turning into a hand. So you can pan around, your viewport like this. And if you press alt it's beside the space bar, so you can click on alt key, and you can click on your middle mouse. Then you can freely you can rotate like this. So if you click on only the middle mouse button, you can have a pan, and you can click on alt key, so to move around. So drag the mouse here, drag on top on and whatever the view you want to. So this is the most handy view for the 3D designers. So remember the alt key and middle mouse button, alt key and middle mouse button. okay, for the free panning and free rotating and all that. But panning is only the middle mouse button. You see the difference? When I click on pan, alt key, so it will freely rotate. Okay, so this is basically the first part. I mean, we learn about a little bit of viewport navigation and the views and all that things. I will continue it in part 2. So thank you all.